Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day, stock of the day, and today it's going to be MAXR, M-A-X-R, and this was from the AI. But I want to point out something to you because people ask how to use the AI and all this sort of stuff. So listen, MAXR, look at where the alert happened, 9:35. The entry price was 30. This is a short, 33.05. Look where the AI exited. Probably, well, I don't know how long, but it could have been within a minute, but certainly within 2 minutes. And it got stopped out almost immediately because, 33.05 was the, here, let me show you. 33.05, there was the short, but it popped up immediately to the stop price, and then it came back down, all right? I always say this in the room. Please have your entry price and your entry time columns up and running. All you have to do is right-click on one of the column headers, click on columns, and this is in alphabetical order. So you can add these two columns because what happens is if a stock hits a stop price at any time during the day, doesn't necessarily have to exit because of that, but just hits the stop price and then comes halfway between, you'll see right there, 33.05 and 33.39. Halfway between that is 33.52. If it hits that price, then you're going to get another opportunity to take the trade. And that's exactly what happened. I mean, I'm not a big fan of the early alerts. I mean, look what happened. 9:35, got out at 9:36, and then the re-entry was at 9:37. But look what happened afterwards. Now, I'm not saying, they're all going to be like this, but it really, really, really is important, I think, anyway, is to have these re-entry time and re-entry price columns up and running because this, the theory is that, okay, maybe the AI was just a little bit early getting into this short, into this trade, and then it came back and allow you a second opportunity. And now, if you had taken it, and you had held on, there was only one green bar in the 15, so you would easily be in this trade still. Maybe you would have taken a little bit out, but we're talking about a 13% gain now. So it's really important to have those two columns up and running, the re-entry time and the re-entry price, and you can put a sound alert on, it'll be the same sound alert that you're using, so you'll be notified when there is a re-entry trigger. All right, that is it. That is it for the, I think it's really important though to have those two columns. So I want to get back into the room. So if you have any questions for me, let me just shut this down. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. And remember, the test drive starts on Monday. So sign up for the test drive. There will be a link in the email you're getting. So hope everybody has a great evening. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.